Swagbucks is an extremely popular GPT site. All in all, it has paid users over $532 million in cash and free gift cards to date. The site is relatively unique since it offers multiple ways to earn on one website. They offer a wide range of money-making choices such as taking paid surveys, watching ads, and engaging in paid-to-click links and emails. You can also do entertaining activities such as playing games or keep it simple by searching the web. Still, the most popular choice for many Swagbucks users is reading emails. Once you join Swagbucks as a user, you will begin to receive promotional emails to your Swagbucks inbox. From there, you can easily earn money by clicking links within the emails and visiting advertiser websites. Doing this allows you to earn Swagbucks, which can be cashed out via PayPal or collected to earn gift cards. The only caveat is that some of these email links require you to make a purchase to then earn money. While many don't, this is still something to look out for within their promotions.